Hello everybody, this is Grace from Grace Violin Tutorials. Today I'm going to introduce you to our beginner book, The String Builder by Samuel Applebaum. This is a wonderful beginner book because it introduces new techniques in every lesson, but each of the lessons also build on each other. So I would highly recommend that you go ahead and order the book. I've provided a link in the video description. However, if you want to hold off, that's okay. You can still follow along with all my tutorials. So please stick around because I'm going to play 3 different pieces, one from the beginning, one from the middle, and one from the end of this book, so you can see what your progression will look like throughout my videos. So here's an example from the beginning of the book. We start off super easy with the open strings. And then we progress to the middle and work on techniques like slurring. And then at the very end, we can work on our 8th notes. And there you have it. So now that you've had a taste of where you're going to start and where you're going to get to, I once again highly encourage you to buy the String Builder book. I've provided a link in the video description. However, if you don't have the book yet, that's okay. You can still look out for my upcoming videos on how to hold your violin, how to tune it, and eventually how to play it. So if you liked this video, please subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next tutorial.